Okay, coach, so I wanted to show you what this app looks like from the athlete side. So all I'm going to do is click right with my finger onto the application right here, and it's going to open me up right to my training. Okay, it'll actually open me up right to the day. All right, so here I am on the 16th of April. Okay, I get a good little preview of what my session is. Okay, remember, coach, I can go back through days and check out training I've done. I'm actually going to scroll this calendar to the right. Then I can go back to last week's training and check it out. Okay, so I have full access to everything I've ever done here in Train Heroic. Okay, a couple other cool things. Um, uh, Instead of just looking at the calendar, I can actually click on my profile here, and it's going to give me all the information of all the stuff I've done. With a bar graph as well, a bar graph on the daily level, and then a nice area chart to show me where I'm progressing in the future. But let's click back on the calendar icon bottom left here. That'll bring me to my training. And like I said, I'm on the right day here. All I have to do is click Start Session, Coach, and then it brings me to my readiness survey. So we'll click a bunch of 5s here because I'm feeling good. Okay. Obviously ones are poor, 5s are good here. So we want a readiness score overall of 5, which it should give me. There it is, right? And it'll jump me right to the session now, coach. So I got, my block 1, okay, hamstrings. So here's, the note that coach would make. I can scroll down with my finger. I can enter how many pounds I've gotten here. Okay, very interactive. And then say I don't know what I'm doing, coach. I can always use this tips and vids little drawer, pull that out, right? So coach gives me some coaching points, and I can play this video right on the app. I don't have to go to YouTube. It comes right there. I'm going to click the back arrow on top left. Okay, I can go through my training, right? Once I fill out a set, it'll check it off to say that I've done. So there's done, there's my green check mark. And then this little thing up here, coach, will show me how far along the training I am. Okay, so I've done my readiness survey. That's the first one. Now I'm in block A. And once I finish this, coach, all right, it'll simply swipe the screen to block B. There it is. Again, instruction. I can enter my weights there. And this is what the leaderboard looks like, coach, on the app. So this is obviously a leaderboard event. Coach wants you to input how many pounds you got at 30 reps here. All right, I enter that. I'm not going to do that right now because I'll be cheating. But I can simply click on this list of athletes here, and then it's going to show me exactly where I stand among my peers. And I can give these folks. I'm going to just punch this. Click this little button here, give my buddy here a little fist bump. Good job. Okay, so you just keep rolling. I'll click the back arrow. We can simply just roll through this thing. All right, same old, same old. Okay, and then at the very end, coach, it's going to ask me, to finish the session. So I'm going to say this was a 7. Kind of pretty tough, but not too bad. And then I can training duration. This will automatically record, but I can also bump it up or bump it down myself. Okay, session comments, coach. This will be just to the athlete at this point in time, so I can go back in this session and reread what I thought about it. We are working on making this go directly to the coach again. These will be huge improvements on the communication side of things here later in the year, quarter 3 and quarter 4. Okay, and as soon as I click finish the session, it's going to give me a total breakdown of everything I did. Okay. I can view my analytics to see how that stuff has changed over time, okay? And then as soon as I'm done, I can just click the calendar icon, go to the next day, clicked on 17 here, and now I can preview my training for the next day.